Are you tired of trying side hustle after side hustle but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm going to change all of that because by the end of this video I'm going to show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So hey guys, and welcome to this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So what is Temu? Temu is a great platform for you. By leveraging its user-friendly features, you can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profit. So first of all, we have here Google Play. So we have here Temu by As a Millionaire, and we have here over than $100 million. You can just click over install, and also you can use other option, which is open your web browser and dive into Temu.com. So this is the homepage, as you can see. So to earn money on Temu, by reselling products, participating in affiliate marketing, or starting your own store, simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale, and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Temu into a profitable venture. So you can just tell people once you start with Temu by clicking on your link, and you will get $100, and you will also earn your commission. So if you want to become an affiliate program, all you have to do is scroll down here and you click over affiliate and influencer on commission, and you will find this page. So we have your affiliate and influencer program. So this one we have earned commission with Temu affiliate and influencer. Earn substantial commission with our diverse products and exclusive offers. Join now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. You can just get started right now. And also we have here high commissions, exclusive sale price, trusted brand. We have about the first one, earn big by promoting Temu, 20% commissions and dollar bonuses. The exclusive sale price, we have a portfolio of exclusive offers and discounts from a variety of products for you to promote. We have here trusted brand, boost your image and amplify your reach by partnering with one of the most downloaded apps. Then you have empowering affiliates here, tailored benefits for every profile. You have authorized influencers here. As a user authorized through our platform, I'll enjoy a range of benefits including having 20% commissions, generous commission rates on orders, abundant credits, access a wealth of credits for additional perks, user download bonuses, receive rewards for every user download. You have your website. As a registered website, affiliates enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform. High commission rates benefit from generous commission rates on orders, tailored benefits, adjustable commissions that match your performance. Then if we scroll down, we have here over than 300,000 people have joined us. You have here activities with rich rewards for all affiliates. We have here affiliate extra awards. They win here. We have $10,000 bonus and per week earn 3,000 bonus. So we have here referral extra rewards. We have $100 coupon bundle. We have new app users here can indulge in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after their initial download. About free gifts, we have here new app users maximize your affiliate potential. Your referred app users not only get to experience the app's fantastic features but also stand a chance to receive a complimentary gift from the Temu. We have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program. So we have 3 steps: join, share, and earn. About the first one, which is join, allies an hour-driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. Then we have share here. Strategically share your link, code to invite, and engage your audience with a diverse range of high-quality products. Then we have here earn, achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs, leveraging competitive conversion rates for maximum earnings. So right now let's move into how you can get started, and you can share your links and convince people to use your link. So the first app here we have TikTok, then we have Pinterest, then we have Reddit, and then we have Instagram, and then we have YouTube. About the first one, to earn money on Temu, TikTok, start by creating a catching video that showcases popular products, highlights special deals, unboxing, or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or video captions for easy access. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. As viewers click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with TikTok, and let's move into the Pinterest. So to earn money on Temu or Pinterest, you have just to create visually appealing pins that highlight popular Temu products, use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention, and include your affiliate link and the pin details. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home decor or fashion regularly. Update your posts with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. And this is how it works with Pinterest. And let's move to the next one, which is Reddit. So to make money on Temu or Reddit, you can just join relevant subreddits where you can share product recommendations, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items, and include your affiliate link. Following subreddit rules, engage with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights. Use a genuine tone to build trust and encourage clicks. Post regularly to maintain visibility and interest. As users make purchases through your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. So that's it for Reddit, and let's move to the next one, which is Instagram and YouTube. So to earn money on Temu, Instagram and YouTube, you can just start by creating engaging content that showcases popular products. On Instagram, first, you can just post a catching photos or reel featuring Temu items and include your affiliate link in your bio. Then we have YouTube. So on YouTube, you can just create unboxing video, reviews or tutorials, placing your affiliate link in the video description. Use relevant hashtags that and keywords to boost visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So, leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, and YouTube can effectively help you earn money through Temu by creating engaging and informative content that highlights popular products and strategically sharing your affiliate links. You can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. So I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more business types, tutorials, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.